Hello friends, you are watching Tech Content English YouTube channel. This is Sarinath. In this video, I will explain upcoming smartphones into Indian market. The mobiles that either it comes in December or it can come in 2021 year. Also, I'll try to explain the key specification or the expected key specifications of these mobiles. The first mobile is Xiaomi Mi Note 10. This was launched on 11th of November in China and it has not yet come into Indian market. The display comes with 6.47 AMOLED display with HDR10 and 600 nits. RAM 8 GB RAM and storage will be 256 GB. There will not be any expandable memory. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 730G with 8 nanometer technology. GPU would be Adreno 618. Rear camera comes with 5 cameras. The primary sensor will be 108 megapixel with 1.7 aperture, followed by 12 megapixel 2.0 lens telephoto and 8 megapixel with f2.0 lens with telephoto, followed by 20 megapixel wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Front camera comes with 32 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. Battery comes with 5260 mAh along with 30 watt fast charge. You can expect 100% of charge in just 65 minutes. OS will be Android 9 that comes with the box and it can be upgradable to Android 10 and MIUI 12. The expected price would be around 40,000 INR. The next mobile is Moto G9 Power. This was launched in Europe on 5th of November. Display comes with 6.8-inch IPS LCD display. RAM would be 4 GB and internal storage would be 128 GB. There will not be any expandable memory option. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 662 with 11nm nanotechnology. GPU would be Adreno 610. Rear camera, the primary sensor comes with 64 megapixels with f1.8 aperture, followed by 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras. Front camera comes with 16 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Battery 6000 mAh with supporting to 20 watts fast charge. On OS would be Android 10. Price of this mobile would be expected around 17,000. The next mobile would be Moto G5G. This was also launched on 5th of November 2020 in Europe. The display comes with a 6.7-inch IPS LCD. RAM and storage would be 4 GB RAM and 64 GB for option 1 and another option 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. There will not be any expandable memory for this mobile. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 750G with 8 nanometer technology. GPU Adreno 619. Rear camera primary sensor would be 48 megapixel with 1.7 lens and 8 megapixel followed by 2 megapixel other cameras. Front camera comes with 16 megapixel with 2.2 lens. Battery would be 5000 mAh along with supporting to 20 watt fast charge. OS would be Android 10 and the price of this mobile expected would be around 26,000 rupees. The next mobile is OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 90. The display comes with a 6.69 Fluid AMOLED display with refresh rate of 144 Hz. It supports to HDR10 plus video. It supports to 5G modem. The RAM would have two options, 12 GB and 16 GB. Memory we have 128 GB and 256 GB options. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 875 with Adreno 660 graphics. Camera primary sensor would be 64 megapixel. The OS Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11. Battery would be 5000 mAh with supporting to 65 watts fast charge. Price expected would be around 45,000 in INR, and this mobile will be expected in 2021. The next mobile is Samsung S21 series. Display comes with 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 1440 into 3200 pixels, aspect ratio 20:9 with refresh rates 120 Hz. It comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 7. RAM option would be 12 GB and 16 GB. Memory option will be 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB options. Chipset comes with Exynos 2100 along with Adreno 660 graphics. Primary camera comes with 108 megapixel. The front camera comes with 40 megapixels along with the options 8K video recordings. Fingerprint sensor will be under display optical fingerprint along with support USB Type C 3.2. OS will be Android 11 with One UI 3.0 skin. Battery would be 5000 mAh with supporting to 45 watts fast charge. 15 watts QI-PMA wireless charge support also. It is expected around March 2021. The next mobile is Poco M3. This mobile was already launched on 24th of November. However, it yet to come into Indian market. The display comes with 6.53-inch IPS LCD. RAM would be 4 GB with storage 64 GB option and 128 GB options. There will not be any expandable memory option. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 662 with 11 nanometer technology. GPU would be Adreno 610. Primary camera comes with 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, followed by 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras. Front camera comes with 8 megapixels with aperture 2.1. Battery comes with 5600 mAh with supporting to 18 watts fast charge. OS would be Android 10 MIUI 12 custom skin. The price expected would be around 11,000. The next mobile is iPhone 13 series. This mobile comes with 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with IP68 dust and water resistant with 1160 into 2532 pixels with aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. RAM would be 4 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes with the memory options 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. Chipset comes with Apple A15 Bionic processors. It comes with Face ID unlock. OS would be iOS 15. Battery would be 3415 mAh supporting to 45 watts fast charge along with 25 watt QI wireless charge. The price expected would be around 64,000 for this option, and this mobile is expected to come on October 2021. The next mobile is Huawei P50. Display comes with 6.9-inch OLED with 144 Hz refresh rates. RAM would be 10 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM options with 512 GB and 1 TB storage options. The rear camera comes with 150 megapixel primary penta lens with 48 megapixel under display selfie camera. The fingerprint sensor would be under display optical fingerprints. Battery would be 5000 mAh with supporting to 65 watt fast charge along with 50 watts wireless charge. The price expected would be around 90,000 and you can expect this mobile during June 2021. The next mobile is Huawei Mate 15. The display comes with 6.8-inch refresh rate 120 Hz with 1344 into 2772 pixels. with 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. RAM would be 12 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM options with storage 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabyte options. Primary camera comes with 108 megapixel rear camera. It will have Face ID unlock and under display scan fingerprint. It comes with Android 11 with latest current chipset. The battery would be 5000 mAh with 100-watt fast charge support, also with 65 watts wireless charge support. The price expected would be around 1,02,000. This mobile expected to come during October 2021. The next mobile is Vivo V20 Pro 5G mobile. Display comes with 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display. Chipset comes with Snapdragon 765G. Rear camera 64 MP primary sensor with 44 megapixel selfie camera. Battery 4000 mAh with supporting to 33 watts fast charging. Price expected would be around 25 to 30,000. We can expect this mobile by December end into Indian market. The next mobile is Samsung A32 5G mobile. Display comes with 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with Snapdragon 760G processor. Rear camera comes with 48 megapixel with 32 megapixel selfie camera. Battery would be 5000 mAh with 25 watt fast charging support. The expected price would be around 20,000 for this mobile. This mobile is expected by December into Indian market. The next mobile is Samsung A12 mobile. This is a mid-range price mobile. Display comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. Camera. Rear camera comes with 48 megapixel primary sensor with 8 megapixel primary sensor on selfie camera with 5000 mAh battery along with 15 watt fast charging support. The price expected would be around 15,000 for this mobile. This mobile expected to come in January 2021. The next mobile is from Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G mobile. Expected to be two variants, one with Dimensity 1000 plus processor and one more with Snapdragon 865G processor. Both of these mobile comes with 6.55-inch display with 64 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Battery would be 4250 mAh battery with 65 watt for charging support. Expected date would be around December 2020 for these two mobiles. The next mobile is from Realme. It is X7 Pro mobile. The display comes with 6.55-inch Super AMOLED display with Dimensity 1000 plus processor with 64 megapixel primary rear sensor and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Battery comes with 4500 mAh along with 65 watt fast charging support. The price expected would be around 20 to 23,000 for this mobile. The expected date would be December end or January 2021 beginning. The next mobile is from Oppo A53 5G mobile. This mobile comes with 6.5-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, processor Dimensity 720 5G. Rear camera comes with 16 megapixel primary sensor and also 8 megapixel selfie camera. Battery comes with 4000 mAh battery along with 10 watt fast charging support. The expected price would be 15,000 to 18,000. Expecting this mobile by December end into Indian market. The next mobile is Realme V5. This mobile comes with 6.5-inch display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Processor Dimensity 720 5G processor. Rear camera 48 megapixel primary sensor. Selfie camera 16 megapixel camera. Battery 5000 mAh with 30 watt fast charging support. Expected price would be around 15 to 17,000 and expected date would be in January 2021. The next mobile is Infinix Zero 8. Display comes with 6.8-inch display with MediaTek G90T processor. Rear camera comes with 64 megapixel primary sensor. Selfie camera comes with 48 megapixel. Battery 4500 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support. Expected price would be around 20,000. That's it on the upcoming mobiles into Indian market. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive further notifications. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video.